At Mount Wheeler Power, we want to be efficient as we continue to provide you with the reliable service you've come to depend on, because it's the right thing to do. One area where we can be efficient is in the use of energy. One of the benefits of using less energy is the reduction of pollution emitted from its generation. Our power supplier, Deseret Power, continues to maintain and operate the Bonanza Power Plant, in addition to managing our hydro allocation from the Glen Canyon Dam. While we appreciate and support these resources, we believe a reduction in energy use is yet another positive step. In our ongoing effort to be energy efficient, we are taking steps to explore additional resources, including hydro, wind, and solar. We are partnering with Deseret Power as well as our members to find the most affordable and reliable power resources available. As we continue to develop new sources of energy, your cooperative also must assure the delivery of that energy is done as efficiently as possible. Undersized transformers, wires, and other equipment can actually use extra energy before it can be delivered to your home or business. The related cost of this lost energy can add to your expenses. To reduce these costs, Mount Wheeler Power continually evaluates the substations, poles, and wires to assure the wholesale energy we purchase makes it to your home. Our work plans include increased wire size, new substations, substation upgrades, and removing old transformers. These are just a few of the ways we are looking to be energy efficient on a larger scale. But what we do every day to be energy efficient can be just as important. Mount Wheeler Power uses a 4-day work week during the summer. This effort saves money and energy. Our extended office hours makes us more accessible to our members that work a traditional 5-day work week. A 4-day work schedule can be helpful on a larger scale too. According to a recent statewide study in Utah, a compressed work week reduces energy use by 13% and saves employees as much as $6 million in gas. It also cuts greenhouse gas emission by more than 12,000 metric tons a year. Energy efficiency also includes taking a close look at how we use energy throughout our organization. We made changes to our building, including UV window upgrades, shop doors with sensors, high-efficiency lighting, and a hybrid water heater. Mount Wheeler Power also looks to the natural resources around us for greater efficiency, using energy-efficient heat pumps to heat and cool our buildings. The installation of a ground source heat pump allows us to use the heat within the earth to provide warmth in the winter. In the summer, this unit pulls heat from the building and transfers it to the cooler ground, providing air conditioning. In places where a ground source unit wasn't practical, we installed air source heat pumps. While not quite as efficient as ground source units, these heat pumps provide the next line of efficiency when compared to standard electric and fossil-fueled furnaces. So far, we've talked about all the ways Mount Wheeler Power is working to be more energy efficient on our side of the electric meter. But what can you do to be energy efficient? Let's talk about your energy bill. It's based on your energy use. Your meter registers energy use based on all of the appliances, electronic gear, and space or water heating units in your home. Your energy use is also based on personal and family habits. Homes with more people tend to use more energy. And we won't even talk about how much energy the average teenager uses. Hey, standing in front of an open refrigerator or taking 30-minute showers is hard work. The largest energy use in any home is related to space and water heating. With that in mind, it makes the most sense to pursue ways to reduce those costs. Consider setting your thermostat in winter to 68 degrees or less during the daytime and 58 degrees before going to sleep when you're away. During the summer, set thermostats to 78 degrees or more to reduce air conditioning costs. A programmable thermostat is easy to install and will automate the process so you can set it and forget it. If you have a forced air system, be sure air filters are replaced or cleaned monthly. A plugged filter not only increases energy use, it may shorten the life of your heating system. Be sure that all ducts are securely fastened to the registers in each room. Over time, ductwork can become loose, causing conditioned air to be sent to the crawl space or attic instead of your home. Use sunlight wisely. During the heating season, leave shades and blinds open on sunny days, but close them at night to reduce the amount of heat lost through windows. Close shades and blinds during the summer or when the air conditioner is in use or will be in use later in the day. Set your thermostat on your water heater between 120 and 130 degrees. Sometimes it's the little things that can make a difference. Consider these no-cost ways of being energy efficient. Unplug seldom used appliances like an extra refrigerator in the basement or garage. You may save about $10 every month. Look around your home for the items that get plugged in but are seldom used. Many electronic devices use energy even if they don't appear to be on. Use power strips to switch off televisions, home theater equipment, and stereos when you're not using them. Even when you think these products are off, their standby consumption can be equivalent to that of a 100-watt light bulb running continuously. Unplug phone chargers when you're not charging. Digital cameras, cordless tools, and other personal gadgets can be unnoticed items that use energy. Keep them unplugged until you need them. Setting your computer to sleep or hibernate allows you to use less power during periods of inactivity. When you're done for the day, you can turn it off. Use appliances efficiently by setting your refrigerator temperature at 38 to 42 degrees. Your freezer should be set between 0 and 5 degrees. Use the power save switch if your appliance has one, and make sure the door seals tightly. You can check this by making sure that a dollar bill closed in between the door gaskets is difficult to pull out. If it slides easily between the gaskets, replace them. Check the seal on the oven door, and use a microwave oven for cooking or reheating small items whenever possible. Wash only full loads in your dishwasher, using short cycles for all but the dirtiest dishes. Air drying can also reduce energy use. In your clothes washer, set the appropriate water level for the size of the load. Wash in cold water when practical, and always rinse in cold. Clean the lint filter in the dryer after each use. Dry heavy and light fabrics separately, and don't add wet items to a load that's already partly dry. If available, use the moisture sensor setting. And don't forget, a clothesline is the most energy efficient clothes dryer of all. And last but not least, turn off the lights when you leave a room. When shopping for new appliances, shop with efficiency in mind. Look for the Energy Star logo. An Energy Star rated appliance gives you confidence that it meets or exceeds the highest energy efficiency ratings. Mount Wheeler Power provides rebates for Energy Star rated appliances such as refrigerators, freezers, dishwashers, clothes washers, and convection ovens. In addition to our Energy Star rebate program, Mount Wheeler Power provides rebates for new heating systems, window replacement, lighting, and increasing insulation. Some of our members have made noteworthy investments in energy efficiency. Now they are seeing the benefits of that investment. Rod and Carol McKenzie of Lund installed a ground source heat pump, and Scott and Kayleen McVickers of McGill installed an air-to-air heat pump system. This allowed them to eliminate a wood stove and dramatically improve the indoor air quality in their home. Whether you make small or large investments in energy efficiency, we don't expect you to do without in your home. It's our job to make sure your energy needs are met with affordable, dependable service. As your member-owned cooperative, Mount Wheeler Power is committed to lead the way to an energy-efficient future.